In our country's long traditional food culture, lard is a traditional delicacy, inheriting the taste and warmth of the family. The delicious food that carries my childhood memories. Every bite of lard bibimbap is like a feast of taste. But I don't know when. Lard was labeled as unhealthy, promoted as the culprit of cardiovascular and cerebrovascular diseases. I always thought it might be that people had misunderstood it. Today, we're going to take a closer look under the microscope at my favorite lard. Get some fresh lard that I carefully cooked. Put it on the pick, cover the lid and start observing. Overall, it looks clean, also very delicate. Each 100 grams of lard contains 38.8 grams of saturated fatty acids. Monounsaturated fatty acids is 44.6 grams. Polyunsaturated fatty acids is 6.4 grams. High in unsaturated fatty acids. Cooking at high temperatures for a long time is also less likely to produce more terrible trans fatty acids. This is an advantage that other cooking oils cannot compare to. In rural areas, there are a lot of older people who eat lard. In 2016, Dr. Ramsden of the National Institutes of Health discovered a truth that had been hidden for 40 years while sorting through data in a basement. This was a double-blind randomized controlled experiment on saturated fat in Minnesota in 1968. This 4.5-year study, which involved 9,057 research subjects, produced a large amount of authoritative data. His original purpose was to prove that vegetable oils were used instead of animal oils containing saturated fats can reduce the incidence and mortality of coronary heart disease. But the result was a very different conclusion. In fact, over the decades, more and more people have reduced their consumption of lard. The prevalence of cardiovascular and cerebrovascular diseases hasn't gone down. On the contrary, the prevalence of chronic constipation has been on the rise. Chinese medicine believes lard has the effect of benefiting the intestines and stomach, promoting urination and dispersing blood in the blood vessels. In addition, lard is easily integrated with fat-soluble vitamins, helps absorb fat-soluble vitamins. In short, lard is one of the foods that accumulate nutritional value. As long as you control your intake, there are many benefits to our health. Today's journey of exploration of the microscopic world ends here. If you are interested in microvision, you can follow me. Leave a message in the comment area. Let's explore the mysteries of the microscopic world together.